What's up, everyone? Let's talk about finding a relationship for you. So when I say relationship, one of the primary things people think of is obviously being in a relationship with someone. The tips I'm going to give you today can be applied towards that, as well as any sort of relationship you're looking to develop with someone, whether it be a personal relationship or a professional relationship. So the first thing is knowing what you want. So usually we have some sort of idea of the ideal person that we want to be in a relationship with. If you are looking for something in someone, you should also be doing that yourself. What I mean is, if you're looking for someone who is fit and has a very healthy diet, are you fit and do you have a healthy diet? And what is that person having these features going to do for you? If you're thinking from their standpoint, are they gonna fit well with someone who does not have that lifestyle? So before we even go out there, the next part is to be in the now. So one of my favorite examples to use for this is the sink garage example. So how this works is if you park in a garage or a driveway that can fit two cars, and you always park in the middle and you don't leave room for a second car. I'm assuming once you get in a relationship, that person with a vehicle would also like to park in that driveway or in your garage. So what you should start doing now is parking on one side of the garage, leaving room for that person when they come into your life. So the same goes for the sink example. If you have two sinks in your bathroom and you have all of your items sprawled out amongst this bathroom counter, where's the room for this second person that you hope is going to come into your life? Being in the now allows you to psychologically realize that there is a space open and available for that person when they can come into your life. So a really easy way to be in the now for a professional relationship is to understand what it means to be in one. Are you open to critique? Are you open to giving advice? Do you love to listen? Do you love to learn? Little qualities like this that you can incorporate in your day-to-day life encourages these professionals to come into your life because they see that you are someone that they want to work with because you can work well with others. So in all of this future vision that we're doing, it's time to go out and seek the relationship that we want. So obviously this part is the scariest part, but guess what? It's scary for everyone. Taking that first step into something new, going out of your comfort zone to meet someone, talk to someone, or get to know someone is very scary at first. When you do find that person, when you do find this group that you can really mesh well with, it comes naturally. You can naturally be yourself and find someone that wants to welcome you into their circle or welcome you into their life. So the hardest part about this is honesty, because honesty will turn people away. You will express who you are and what you do, and some people may not like it, or some people may not want to be associated with you. Great. Don't be associated with people who don't want to be associated with you, please. On the brighter side of it though, it will expedite compatibility. Being honest about who you are will help show others that you are comfortable in yourself and they like the qualities in you and they want to be with you. They want to be close to you. They want to hear from you. And there are plenty of resources today that really do emphasize there are no excuses to not go out and seek. Whether it be dating apps for relationships, social groups that you can find on Facebook or things like Meetup, or different places you can go that are meant to be social, like dancing classes. Granted, the time we're living in now, a lot of what we need to do is virtual, but so is everyone. Now should be the best time to meet someone. And this actually ties in with my pro tip for the video. If you are going to meet someone and you find someone online or through an app or through a group, the best thing to do is a video call. This saves so much time because you get to see the dynamic you have with someone else without scheduling to go meet somewhere in public. And there are plenty of apps out there like Google Duo or Zoom, mutual platforms that you can use to video chat without giving out your personal number. So hopefully this information helps you find the relationships you seek. As always, I hope this information has helped you today. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to hear the notifications if you haven't. Until next time, we'll see ya.